Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Pipedrive CRM deals from archived status. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Pipedrive CRM deals from archived status, first, log into your Pipedrive account. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the Deals tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Deals tab to access your deal pipeline. In the upper right corner, find the More option. Click on More to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Archived Deals to view your archived deals. You will see a list of all deals that have been archived. Identify the deal you want to restore from this list. Once you find the deal, click on the deal title to open its detailed view. Inside the deal view, look for the Unarchive button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Unarchive button to restore the deal to active status. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm the action. If prompted, confirm that you want to unarchive the deal. After confirmation, the deal will be moved back to your active deals pipeline. You can return to the Deals tab to verify that the deal is now active. Repeat these steps for any other archived deals you wish to restore. And that's how you efficiently restore archived deals in Pipedrive CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.